Good evening everyone. Welcome to my class. Good evening Smita. Can you hear me? Yes, good evening. Yes, last class I explained the theory part of a quadrilateral. In this class I will solve few important questions based on the topic. MCQ question based on the topic quadrilateral. Okay. Yes, good evening once again. Good evening everyone. Shall we start the class? First MCQ question, very important question. Smita, are you there in the live? Tell me, my voice is clear or not? In the last class, I am listening the echo sound. Tell me, still you are hearing any echo sound or not? Are you listening any echo sound, Smita, or it is clear? In the last class, I see the recorded one. Then my voice is like echoing. Now, are you listening? Usharani, yes, Usharani, your number is not with me. Later, you can mail your number. Then I can include you in the group. Still you are Still you are hearing the echo, Smita. One minute, I will check. Start the class. First MCQ question. If I use the headphone, I am feeling some echoes are coming. Okay. Oh, Sharani already solved the problem. She is telling the length of R is 10 centimeter. Check once again. Now I think my voice is clear now. Okay. Let us solve the problem here. Without headphone I can't teach because some construction is going on. This headphone I don't know why it is coming echo. Okay, we will see. I will change that one. Give me few days. I will buy new headphone. Okay. I think now it is clear, Smita. Now you are not listening any echo sound. Yes, good evening Usharani and Smita. We will start the class. If you are feeling somewhat uncomfort in my voice, tell me immediately. Smita is telling 9 centimeter. Yes, Smita, your answer is correct. Usharani, check your answer. Don't worry, I will solve the problem. A circle touches all four sides of a quadrilateral PQRS. PQ is 11 centimeter, QR is 12 centimeter, then PS is 8 centimeter. Then what is the length of RS? They are asking the question here. Here, if a circle touches all the four sides of a quadrilateral PQRS, then I will write here, if a circle touches all four sides of quadrilateral PQRS, then here consider this is the circle, then it touches the quadrilateral in all the four sides. Okay, then here this PQRS, this is the condition you have to remember. PQ plus RS, it will be equal to SP plus RQ. This condition is only valid when the circle, otherwise this circle is inscribed, otherwise it is inside, it will be inside in the quadrilateral. Okay, then this circle, it will be, the circle touches all the four sides of a quadrilateral. This is the points where the circle touches all the four sides of a quadrilateral. Then only in this condition, this PQ plus RS, like opposite sides, or the sum of opposite sides, it will be equal. PQ and SR, opposite side, then one pair of opposite side, then PS QR, another pair of opposite side, then sum of pair of opposite sides must be equal. Okay, then you know the value of PQ 11. You have to calculate the value of RS or SR. You have to write as it is. Then SP, what is the value? 8 centimeter. Then RQ, what is the value? 12. Then this one is 11 plus, write RS as it is. 8 plus 12 is 20. Then RS or SR. Then 20 minus 11. Then what is the length of RS? It will be 9 centimeter. Understood, Husharani, where you did the mistake? Understood now? Those who are there in the live, tell me hi, at least then I will come to know who are there in the live. Okay, this condition is valid only the circle touches all the four sides of a quadrilateral. Usharani, my voice is clear now? Are you are feeling any echo sound? Or now it is clear? Tell me anyone, because once I start the live class, even I can't listen the class because it will be recorded. No, one, if I on speaker in my phone, both the speakers they will get overlap, both the sounds they will get overlap. That's why you have to tell me if you face any problems. You have to tell me if the voice is not clear or echo is coming, like that. Okay, let us go to the next. Little bit echo. Okay, but still I can't avoid that one because okay, I will see. Yes, move to the next question. Don't worry, at least adjust 1 or 2 days. I will buy the new headphone because here so many disturbance. Even without headphone, I can't teach the class. Okay. Next question. If the external angle of a polygon is 45 degree, find the number of diagonals in this polygon. Polygon is also one of the example of quadrilateral, is also one of the example of a polygon. No, that's why I included this question. These questions are very important. Then here the external angle of a polygon is given, that is 45 degree. Then they are asking the number of diagonals. How many diagonals are there in the polygon? You know the formula. Remember the formula. I will explain one problem, then easily you can solve the next problem. External angle, it will be 360 divided by n. This is the formula we will use to find the external angle. Okay, that formula you have to remember. Then one more formula is there. I will write the formula first, then easily you can solve the problem. Number of diagonals. How to find the number of diagonals? Number of diagonals of a n side polygon. The formula we will use is n square minus 3n divided by 2. Usharani is telling 8, Smita 8. Very good, very good. The external angle is 8. The number of the number of sides are 8. but they are asking the number of diagonals. You got n, it will be 8. Substitute the value of n here, then you will get the number of diagonals. Do it. It will be easy for you. Very easy question. Do it. Yes. Next. Here they are given. Here in the case of n equal to the number of sides. Here n is nothing but number of sides. That one you have to remember. Number of sides of a polygon. Number of sides of a polygon. Here each angle is given. External angle is given. They are given external angle only. Substitute in this formula external angle. That formula it will be 360 divided by n. 20 is the number of diagonals. They are telling 20. Smita and Usharani. Very good, very good, very good. What you got the answer, that it will be correct. 20 is the correct answer. Here the external angle is given. External angle 45 degree. That one you have to write here. 45 degree divided by 360 divided by n. Cancel here. 45 ones are, then 45 eights are, and it will be 8. Okay, number of sides of a polygon, it will be 8. But here they are asking the number of diagonals. What is the formula to find out the number of diagonals here? Number of diagonals here. Number of diagonals. You know the formula. How to find out number of diagonals? You know the formula. N square minus 3n divided by 2. Substitute the value of n. It will be 8 here. Then here 8 square minus 3 into 8 divided by 2 means 8 square means 64 minus 8 3s are 24 divided by 2. Then 64 minus 24 is 40. 40 by 2 is nothing but 20. Yes, what you got the answer? That is correct. Yes, Ushara and Smita, correct. But here you have to remember the formula. Then what is given in the question, that is also very, very important. Here in the question they are given external angle of a polygon. External angle only they are given here. You have to find out the number of diagonals here. Understood everyone? Then I will move to the next question. Almost in quadrilateral, polygon, almost all the questions it will be based on like that only. Sometimes they will give the internal angle, sometimes they will give the external angle. Depends on that values, you have to find out the number of diagonals. Okay, understood? Then here very interesting and also very important question, this one. Definitely they will give like this problem in the exam. Side of a rhombus, consider this is the rhombus. All the sides are equal in the rhombus, correct no? The side they are given 15 centimeter. Side A, consider the A, it will be the side of a rhombus A. All the sides are equal in the case of a rhombus. You know the properties of a rhombus. Then here A, it will be 15 centimeter. They are given in the question. Then length of its diagonal is 60% more than the length of its side. They are given the condition of a diagonal. What is the condition of a diagonal? They are given 60% more than the length of the side. Length of its sides. I am writing in terms of words, but no need to write. You can do the problem directly. But to understand, to explain, I am writing here. Okay. They are given in the case of a diagonals, they are given the condition. Length of its diagonal is 60% more than the length of its side. 60% more means plus. If it is less means minus. That one you have to consider. Then length of its sides. What is the length here given? 15. Therefore here 15 plus length is 15 plus, okay, Then here 60% more means 160 divided by 100. They are given in terms of percentage now. Therefore 160 divided by 100 you have to do it here. 15% more. Length of the diagonal of the rhombus, it will be 15% more. Here you have to consider into. Length of its diagonal, length of the diagonal of the rhombus. Okay, 15. Okay, into we have to consider here because length they are given, no? That's why better consider into we have to consider, but more they are given, but we are comparing, no? That's why we have to consider into. Okay, then 15 into 160 divided by 100, 0 0 get cancelled. Then here 2 8s are, 2 5s are, 5 1s are, 5 3s are. Then your length of the diagonal it will be 24 centimeter. Understood everyone? Why I changed here into 60% more? Yes, 60% more you have to add. But here the length of its diagonal is 60% more than the length of its side. They are comparing 60% more. Therefore, you have to multiply because they are given in terms of percentage. That's why 60 percentage of this one. 60 percentage of you consider. Then we will come to know once we are having the word of, we will use 60 percentage of length of its side. Of means into you have to consider. Don't get confused with the plus. More means we will consider plus. But here 60% of length of its side. Of means into. You know. According to the maths. Okay. Then the diagonal it will be 24. One of the diagonal it will be 24. Remember the formula. I will write the formula here. A square it will be equal to diagonal d1 by 2 whole square plus d2 by 2 whole square. How this formula came means I will explain here. Consider this side as the Pythagoras theorem because this angle is 90 degree. Then this one is the hypotenuse. Yes. Then this one is the adjacent. This one is the opposite. Correct? No. Then hypotenuse square like a square it will be equal to this length is this is the whole length of the diagonal d1. Then this length is d1 by 2. Then this is the whole length d2. Then from here to here this length is d2 by 2. Understood? Why it is 160? Usharandi, listen here. Here we are comparing the percentage. Consider we don't know here the length of one side is given, that is 15 centimeter they are given, but we are considering in terms of a percentage. Normally we will consider if we don't know the value of a diagonal, we will consider the unknown value, it will be 100. Here 60% more than that one means it will be 60. Add this one 100 plus 60, it will be 160. That's right. Okay. When we are comparing percentage, 60% more means we will consider 160. 40% more means we will consider 140. 20% more means we will up to 100 we will add how much more. If it is less, I will consider 20% less means 100 minus 20. You will get 80%. Are you following Usharani now? See, now 30% less means from 100 we will minus 30. 70%. Okay. Here 60% more means from 100, for 100 we have to add 60%. Less means we have to subtract. If we have to more means we have to add up to 100 because we are comparing with percentage, no? Because they are not given the value of a diagonal. They told 60% more. That's why 100 plus 60, 160 percentage. That is not the value here, 160 percentage. To remove this percentage sign, I divided by 100 now. Then both it will get cancelled, you will get 160. Understood now, Usharani? Okay. Then you have to remember the formula. Listen now how this formula came. Consider this is the Pythagoras triangle. Pythagoras we can apply if the angle is 90 degree. This is the hypotenuse, this is the opposite, this is the adjacent. Correct now? Then opposite hypotenuse square, it will be equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. But here our hypotenuse value is a square, then the value of this d1, this full length, diagonal length is d1, but I am considering only half of the diagonal, then d1 divided by 2. Then here full length it will be d2. From here to here I will consider a, b, c, d. This full AC length is full AC length, I will consider this as a O. The full AC length is D2. Then I have to measure the OC length of this one, D2 divided by 2. Understood now? This length is of this one. That one you have to remember. Then according to the Pythagoras theorem, this is the value. Already they are given. The A value is 15 square. Then D1 consider 24 by 2 whole square. Yes, we find the one of the diagonal, that is 24. Here both the diagonals also we have to find out. In that one of the diagonal is 24 centimeter. Consider any one. Consider as a D1. This one. Consider D1 only. D1 is 24 centimeter. Then we don't know D2. D2 by 2. Right as it is. Solve. You will get the value of the diagonal D2. Solve. You will get the value. Tell me the value. Usharani and Smita, those are there in the live. If more number of students are there in the live, it will be easy for me to explain, because you will ask the doubt whether you are following or not. At least I will come to know. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Okay, solve. 15 square is nothing but 225. 24, this cancel better. 2 ones are 2, 12s are 12 square means 144 plus d2 by 2 whole square. Okay. Then 225 minus 145 minus, you will get 81. It will be equal to d2 by 2 whole square. Tell me the value of d2. Anyone? Then here 81, I can write it as 9 square. Then d2 by 2 whole square. Squaring both the sides. Take square on both the sides. Take square on both sides. It will get cancelled. 9, it will be equal to d2 divided by 2. Then d2, it will be 18 centimeter. Okay, understood? d1 value is 24 centimeter. d2 is 18 centimeter. Everyone got? How you got this one? Okay. Here, consider the question here. The side of a rhombus is 15 centimeter and length of its diagonal is 60% more than the length of its sides. Okay. What is the length of the other diagonal they are asking? Even we don't know the length of each diagonal also, but they are given the condition one of the diagonal length is 60% more than the length of its side. Therefore 15 into y into means of 15 into 160 means y 160, because they are given 60% more means 100 plus 60. Okay, 160%. Therefore divided by 100, you will get d1 is 24 centimeter. Okay, according to the Pythagoras theorem, we can derive this formula. Only this is applicable only for the rhombus. Then solve, you will get the value of the diagonal both the diagonals. First diagonal is 24 centimeter, second diagonal is 18 centimeter. Understood, Smita and Usharani? Tell me, understood or not? Okay, it is taking more time. I will solve totally 12 problems are there. Now I will solve 6 problems. Then I will give the break 10 to 15 minutes. Then after I will solve remaining 6 problems, because at a time if I take, it will be like more than 1 hour. More than 1 hour no one will sit. Correct now? Understood? Okay. Solve at least 1 or 2 times. Then easily you can. Usharani, after the class, mail me. You know my email address, no? Send me your phone number. Then I will add your number to hstr PM group. Okay. I have Smita number, but I don't have your number. You know my email address, no? Because this is live, I am going. I can't give my phone number. I better mail me in the email address only. You know my email, no? sunita16.siddharaju@gmail.com. I will write here. Sunita. Oh, is there in the WhatsApp group? You are there in the WhatsApp group? Yeah. Then it will be good. Otherwise, those who want to join, you can contact me in the email. sunita16.siddharaju@gmail.com. Those you will watch live classes. If you want to join the group, you can send your phone number to, you can email me, then I will add in the group, WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay, we will discuss the next problem. Next problem, very important problems I am discussing here today. Lengthy problem, but once you understand it will be easily you can solve the problem. The diagonals of a rectangle are inclined to one side of a rectangle at 25 degree. One side of the angle they are given here 25 degree. Then the acute angle formed between the diagonals. What is the acute angle formed between the diagonals? Here, this is the one diagonal, this is the another diagonal. Both the diagonals they will intersect, no? After intersecting, what is the acute angle? What is the angle? After intersecting the diagonal, what is the angle formed by the diagonals? They are asking. Here they are given the condition, otherwise they are given the clue that angle must be acute angle. Acute angle means the angle, the value of the angle, it will be less than 90 degree. Acute angle means less than 90. Correct now? That one you know, very basic. Acute angle means the angle it will be less than 90. Obtuse angle means the angle it will be more than. Obtuse means the angle it will be more than 90. Here, whatever the angle you are getting, that it will be diagonally bisecting the angle, it must be acute angle. Acute angle. Okay. I will write. This is also like a theory part only, but this is also lengthy. But once you understand the problem, it will be very easy. As the diagonals of a rectangle intersect each other, I will write. As the diagonal of a rectangle, 2-3 problems are lengthy, then remaining problems it will be easy. Intersect as the diagonals of a rectangle intersect, then intersect each other. Yes, you can see both the diagonals they will be intersect each other. then AO it will be equal to OB. This diagonals when they will be intersect, AO this length it will be equal to this BO. When the length are same, you can consider even the angles also it will be same. Therefore, the angle OBA, this angle OBA, this angle I will mark here, OBA this angle, and OAB this angle it will be 25 degree, because when the diagonals when they will be intersect each other, okay, the length AO it will be OB, then this length when the lengths are equal, the angle made by the sides also it will be equal, OAB then OBC, this angle it will be 25 degree, because angle opposite to equal sides are equal. I will write here reason also, I will write here angle opposite to, in hstr no need to write everything, you can write the answer directly, but here I am explaining and also you have to learn in detail, no, that's why better don't worry, I will provide the PDF notes also. I will whatever I am writing on the board, this PDF notes only I will give, then easily you can refer, no need to write, I will provide the PDF notes, don't worry. Those who need the PDF notes, you have to contact me. I given my email, no, once I collected the phone number, then only I can make a group. In the group I can send the PDF notes, because in YouTube in we can't send, I don't have any of your at least email address also I don't have, then even phone number I can't reach up to you, okay. Why these two angles are equal? Because angle opposite to equal sides are equal, okay. Then move to the next. By angle sum property, consider this is an angle, this is a triangle, correct? No, AOB I will write here, this I will highlight this one, AOB, this is the triangle, this is the triangle, okay. Then apply here angle sum property, this angle, the sum of these three angle 1 2 3, this angle it will be 180 degree. I am using angle sum property, then I will solve the next angle. By angle sum property, angle AOB plus angle OAB plus angle OBA, this it will be 180 degree, okay. Then AOB I have to calculate, then these two angles you know the value, 25 degree plus 25 degree it will be 180 degree. Angle AOB I will explain with the figure, listen here. This angle AOB, this angle, then OEB this angle, then OBA this angle. This angle I have to find out, these two angle I know, according to angle sum property easily you can find the value. Then the angle AOB it will be equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree, then your value it will be 130 degree. Then this angle is 130 degree. This angle is 130 degree according to the angle sum property. In the hstr, in gpstr, if they ask this one in the MCQ problem, no need to write all the details here, because I am explaining, that's why I am writing everything, but in the exam no need to write, okay. Then consider here I will extend it the line here, then this line you can, okay, 1 minute I will write once again, okay. This is the angle, this is the triangle, okay. This is the diagonal, this is also one of the diagonal here. This diagonal is the linear pair, this one is the linear pair, this DOB, this is the straight line, no, linear pair, then 130, and this angle, the sum of these two angle it will be 180 degree according to the linear pair. No, Usharani, this that is not 60. 180 minus 50, 130. That is not 60. That is 50. Maybe. Okay, by linear pair property. By linear pair property. Linear pair property. DOA plus AOB. It will be 180 degree. Then DOA, AOB, already you know, this value is 130 degree. This it will be equal to 180 degree. Then the value of DOA is 180 minus 130, you will get 50 degree. What is the acute angle? They ask, no? That acute angle, it will be 50 degree. Yes, 50, 50. Maybe in the subtraction you did the wrong one. See here, the linear pair, this DOB, this is the straight line, no? Linear pair. Then easily you can find here 180 minus 130, you will get 50. In the exam, I don't know why I am telling. Someone, they will see the explanation only, they will get worried. Oh, this much long answer. Better we will skip this problem. No, this problem is very, very easy. They are given one angle is 25 degree because this is a right angle. Therefore, in the case of a right angle, see, consider this diagonal bisect. Diagonals must be equal. These two diagonals must be equal means opposite, not opposite, adjacent angles must be equal. Okay. Once this is 25, 25. These two are adjacent angles. When the diagonals are equal, adjacent angles also equal. That one remember, 25, 25. Then 180 minus 50, you will get 130 here. Consider this one as a linear pair. Then 180 minus 130, you will get 50. See, it will not take even 30 seconds to solve this problem. But I wrote in detail because you have to follow the steps. If they ask this same question in the gpstr, then definitely you have to write the lengthy answer only, because that's why I mentioned in the link only. Whatever the questions I am explaining, this is, it will come for TET, CTET, gpstr, hstr, all the, even you can see this problem they asked in the last year or before last year gpstr question paper. Okay, that's why I am explaining in detail, because you have to come to know. Okay, only 2-3 problems, difficult problems are there, not difficult problems. It will be easy for you. Once you know the concept, it will be very easy for you. Okay, then here already I sent it in the group. CTET notification came, maybe this month end. I don't know the exact date. I sent the link also. CTET, better apply for CTET also. If you clear, it will be helpful for you. You can join even CBSE, ICSE schools also. Okay, at least you have the time. May month, at least those who are working also, you can work out in the home. You will get the more time to practice the problems. Even you can read also. That's why better make use of that one. Clear CTET, it will be very, 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 very helpful for you. Compared to TET, almost CBSE, ICSE schools, they will consider CTET. They will not consider TET. Okay. If you clear this CTET, definitely your salary, you can expect more salary if you clear the exam. That's why I'm telling you have to clear the exam. Read, it will be very easy. Then next one. Consider the next problem. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Yes, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral such that angle B is 104 degree. The tangent AC, these two are the tangent. They are meeting at a point P. What does mean by tangent? Consider a circle. At the line drawn, it has to touch the circle at one, only at the single point. It will touch the circle, only single point. Okay, that is the meaning of a tangent. Then what is the measure of APC? APC, this angle. What is the angle? This angle they are asking. Only one angle they are given in the cyclic quadrilateral. Then you have to find this angle ATC. Okay, let us solve. Let us discuss how we can solve the problem. Easy only, very easy question. If you know the concept, then easily you can solve the problem. Okay. Then here, according to the cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. I will write here opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Opposite angles. These two are opposite angle. AC are the opposite angles. Okay. Then opposite angle sum, it will be 180 degree. I will write here ABC, 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 this angle. Okay. Then ADC. These two are the opposite angles. Correct? No? This angle, this angle. Its sum is 180 degree. This is valid only in the case of a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Then ABC value they are given 104 degree. Then ADC we have to calculate. It will be equal to 180 degree. Then the value of ADC, it will be 180 minus 104. It will be 76 degree. Then one more important thing I will write here. First I will explain. PAC, it will be equal to angle D. It will be equal to 76. PAC, where is PAC? PAC, this angle, only this angle. PAC, this angle, it will be equal to angle D. Angle D is nothing but ADC. Even you can write it as angle D, or you can write it as ADC. This angle, it will be this angle. Then both the values, angles, it will be same, means angle PAC. This angle PAC, this angle is 76, this angle is 76. Okay, this only this angle, not full A. This PAC, this angle 76, then ADC, this angle is 76. Why these two are equal? What is the reason? I will write here. Since I will write all the sentence, because once you will revise it will be helpful for you. PA is tangent on the circle. PA is a tangent on the circle at point A, and AC is chord, which is subtending the angle D, it will be 76 degree. Why these two angles are, why they are equal means PA is a tangent. Yes, already I told PA is a tangent on the circle at the point A. Yes, this is the tangent we drawn at the point A. Then AC is the chord. AC is the chord. Yes, now what is meant by the chord? If you draw any lines, if you consider any two lines on the circle, when you join the line, if you draw a line to join that points, that is a chord. You can draw in a circle, you can draw infinite number of chord. Correct now? AC is one of the chord because it will join 2 points on the circle, any 2 points on the circle, which is subtending the angle D. Then this chord, it will make the angle D. See, when you draw this chord, then this is the cyclic quadrilateral, then you will get the angle D. That is the reason the angle D, it will be equal to angle A. Okay, that is the reason, that one you have to remember. Then next one, PAC, this it will be equal to PCA as PA and PCR tangent. Yes, already I explained two tangent you have, tangent of A and C. PAC, PCA. See here, PAC, this angle, PCA, this angle and this angle, both the angles it will be equal. Then this value also it will be 76 because these are the 2 points. They are the end of the these 2 points are make a chord. Then here this is the tangent. PA is one tangent, PC is the another tangent. When the angles made by the tangent, that angles must be equal from the same point. P is the same point, no? Then next you can move. Next only one last point is there. PAC plus PCA plus APC, this value it will be equal to 180 degree. Already you know the angle, this is 76, this also 76. Then APC we have to calculate, this is P not D. It will be 180 degree. Then APC value is 180 minus 76 plus 76, you will get 152. Its value is 28 degree. That one only they are asking here. The value it will be 28 degree. This angle is 28 degree. See, why we are considering this angle? See, consider this also a triangle. Angle sum property. The angle PAC, this angle is 76. Then PCA, this angle is 76. Then APC, this is we don't know. The sum it will be 180 degree. Then that value is 28 degree. Yes, Usharan. This problem is looking like lengthy, but it will be equal. First, what they are given? They are given 104. In the cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are 180 degree. Means 180 minus 104, you will get 76. Then this 76 angle D PAC is equal because here this is a tangent, then this is the chord. In a cyclic quadrilateral, if the chord divides this quadrilateral, the angles must be equal. Then here why the angle A is equal to angle C? Because consider the tangent here. PA is one tangent, PC is another tangent drawn from the same point. This is the same point, therefore angles must be same. Then here you have to find out the angle of APC. Consider the angle sum property here. Consider this as a triangle. Okay. Then you know the value of two angles. Then you can know, you can calculate the value of third angle. Okay. Easy. Practice the problem 1 or 2 times. It will be easy for you. One more lengthy problem is there. Then after this one, maybe I will stop the class after 1 hour. Yes. This is the last problem. Then after this problem I will stop. Then one more. I will take 10 to 15 minutes break. I will clear one more session I will complete. After this everything it will be easy. Only this problem is lengthy. Then after this one we are having only the exterior, interior angles, that point, that one only. Because these problems I felt very important. Even I observed these type of problems in the last gpstr exam also. That's why very important questions. I don't want to miss the any question. Consider here, in the given figure, O is the center of the semicircle. This O is the center of the semicircle. Consider this is a semicircle. A is the midpoint of OP. This A is the midpoint of OP. This is the midpoint. Then B is the midpoint of OQ. If the radius of the semicircle is 10 centimeter, from here to here 10, from here to here 10, radius they are given, from here to here 10, means this is 5, this is 5, this is 5, this is 5. Why I wrote 5 here? Because here they are given A is the midpoint of PO. Midpoint means This 10 centimeter divided by 2, you will get 5 here. Here also B is the midpoint of OQ means 10 divided by 2, here also 5. We will use this value, that's why I wrote here. Then the area of a shaded portion, the area of the shaded portion, here blue color you can see, no, that area you have to calculate. First you have to consider very easy problem, this one. If you know the formula, easily you can find out. Then what is the formula? Area of a semicircle. What is the formula? Tell me, Usharani. Smita, maybe Smita, she left. I don't know. She is not there in the live. Only Usharani, yes. Thanks, at least you are with me. Hmm? Thanks for your patience. At least you are with me. Area of semicircle. What is the area of semicircle? Of pi r square. Area of the circle pi r square. Here I have to calculate area of semicircle means divided by 2. Pi r square divided by, oh, you are there, Smita. Then you are not interacting with me, no? That's why I thought you left. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. We will use these two formulas, okay? Calculate here area of this semicircle. Use the formula and calculate area of semicircle of into pi r square of pi value is 22 by 7, or they are given. Radius is how much? 10 centimeter means 10 into 10. Solve. 2 ones are 2 5s are. I will give the value. Later you can multiply. You will come to know 157.14 centimeter square. That is the area of a semicircle. Next, A is the midpoint of OP. OA is 5 centimeter. Then later you have to calculate the area of this rectangle. We don't know. We have only base from here to here. The base, no. This 5 plus 5. The base is 10 centimeter. That is correct. But we have to calculate the height. How we will calculate the height? We will use the Pythagoras theorem. How we will use here? Let us see. See. Draw the line here. This it will become a what? Triangle. Okay, this angle is 90 degree. Then here they are given the radius, no? From here to here radius means this is 10 centimeter, this 5 centimeter, this we don't know. Using the Pythagoras theorem, do it. 550, 157.14 centimeter, Usharani. That you can later you can calculate. Okay, concentrate here. That is only simplification, direct multiplication. Later you can do it. Okay. Consider this is a Pythagoras theorem, right angle triangle. Then you have to find out the height. I will write here. Then in triangle AOD, OD square. Shall I write here only? I will write here only better. Otherwise it will become jumbled now. Better I will write in the next page. It will be clear. OD square plus DA square plus AO square. Calculate everything I given. OD square 10 square. DA square we don't know, we have to calculate. This is 5 square. Then DA square it will be 100 minus 25 is nothing but 75. Then DA it will be square root of 75. Square root of 75 we can write it as 25 into 3. Take this 25 outside. 5 root 3. That is the answer of this height. This value is 5 root 3. Nothing I did. Using Pythagoras theorem. Yes, Usharani. Very good. See, DO square it will be dA square plus AO square. Already you know AO square is 5 square. Then DO square, this is the radius 10 square. Make use of that one. You will get the value of AD. Easily you can get the value of AD. Now easily you can find out the area of a triangle, area of a rectangle, length into breadth. This is the breadth. This is the length. Sorry, length is 10 centimeter. Height is nothing but breadth 5 root 3. Multiply, you will get the value. Do it. Next one, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle ABCD, it will be equal to length into breadth. Length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 5 root 3, 10 5s are 50 root 3. Otherwise 50 into, what is the value of root 3? 1.7320. Then you will get 86.60 centimeter square. Minus the area, you will get the shaded portion. Simplification, multiplication, you can do it later also. Don't worry. Area of shaded portion. Area of shaded portion, it will be equal to area of semicircle minus area of rectangle. Definitely like this problem C1 they will give in CTET. CTET they will give the complicated question only. Compared to TET, CTET it will be little difficult. Okay. For your examination purpose, I will solve now onwards at least the problems based on the CTET only. If you are interested, yes, Smita and Usharani, don't forget to apply for CTET. Now onwards, I will focus the question based on the CTET problems. Don't worry. Physics, only 2 chapters are there. No, whatever I did for hstr syllabus, same syllabus it will come for CTET. CTET, TET, everything it will be same. Little difference is there, but concept it will be easy. Concept it will be same. What happened here? Now only I wrote. Where it went? Okay, it is there. Live, no? That's why sometime it will be like. Okay, understood the problem. Very easy problem. Here they are asking the area of the shaded region. First you have to find out the area of semicircle. Then find out the area of a rectangle. Minus you will get the area of the shaded portion. Area of semicircle, it will be easy. You have to substitute in the formula of pi r square. Easily you will get area of semicircle. But here area of a rectangle, you know only base, you don't know the height. Then here you have to consider the triangle. Right angle triangle, using Pythagoras formula, you have to find out the height. Okay, hypotenuse square, it will be adjacent square plus opposite square. Make use of that one, you will get the height. Then when you know the length and breadth, you can calculate the area of a rectangle, and later you minus area of semicircle minus area of rectangle. Finally you will get the area of a shaded portion. Very important question. It will be look like lengthy, but it will be easy. Okay, shall I stop the class? Almost like 1 hour over, means more than 1 hour. No one have the patience to see the class, listen the class. If you are interested, Smita, Usharani, I will take one more class at 6 o'clock. Okay. Only these problems are little difficult, but now onwards it will be easy. Only 1, 2, 3, 4 problems are there in the only half an hour is there. Okay. Because almost 1 hour or no more than 1 hour, it will be difficult for you also to concentrate. The only 4-5 problems are there remaining. Quadrilateral part 3 I will finish today. Then tomorrow we will see one. I am planning to take one physics class and one maths class. Even I prepared some question based on the polygons also. If you are interested, we will complete that also today. Okay, shall I take one more class at 6 o'clock? If you agree, I will take. Otherwise, we will see in the next class. Smita, it will become lengthy, no? More than 1 hour. Means streaming it will be difficult. If, for uploading also it will be difficult. That's why I will take at least not half an hour. At least I will take 15 minutes break, 15 to 20 minutes. Then I will come back. Okay. Too much lengthy in the YouTube also to uploading the. It will take more time. It will become too much lengthy. That's why I will take remaining 4-5 problems in the next. Okay, I will send the link. Please stay with me. Okay, I will send the link. Then remaining problems we will finish today only. Okay, thanks for watching my class. Thanks everyone. Okay, bye, take care. We will meet in the next class.